People often collapse and die suddenly after long hours of shifts. Let's talk about strategies to prevent this. Yes, it is preventable. First, let's highlight factors that could cause sudden death and see what happened inside the body at the moment of collapse. Long hours of work can quietly push the human heart to its breaking point. Number one cause of sudden collapse is stress overload on the heart. During prolonged hours of work, especially stressful shifts, the body releases cortisol and adrenaline non-stop to keep the body alert. The natural cycle is broken just to keep awake. Cortisol and adrenaline are hormones that keep the body in continuous survival mode. They keep the heart sprinting as if a man is running while he's actually sitting. This is often called ghost sprint. These hormones increase the heart rate, tighten blood vessels, and raise blood pressure. These continue for as long as the body is working and maintain a perpetual stress on the heart. This stress can trigger a deadly arrhythmia or heart attack. Down goes the just active worker. 2. Hidden heart disease. The risk is compounded if there's a hidden heart problem. In fact, most sudden collapses happen because the person had an undiagnosed heart condition. They look healthy, until long hour stress acts like a final test the heart cannot handle. Then sudden collapse. 3. Blood clots from long sitting. Hours of sitting without moving can cause deep vein thrombosis. This means a blood clot in the leg. If that clot moves to the lungs, it becomes a pulmonary embolism. The clot shuts off exchange of oxygen in the lungs. This kills within minutes. 4. Sleep deprivation. Lack of sleep makes the heart electrically unstable. People often underestimate health benefit of sound sleep. Sleepless nights disturbs the heart's normal rhythm, put a continuous strain on the heart. When the body can't take the strain anymore, the heart's electrical system malfunctions. The heart starts shaking instead of pumping, and within seconds, the person collapses. Now let's talk about prevention strategies. 1. Avoid frequent long-hour shift as much as possible. If you must do it, get quality sleep in between shifts. This prevents continuous stress on the heart. 2. Don't ignore chest pain or palpitations. That minor chest pain is a flag to see your doctor. The body is like an engine that needs servicing. Rest and regular sleep comes with healing. 3. Check your blood pressure regularly. High blood pressure is a silent killer. 4. Take a few walks. Avoid sitting for too long. At least 5 minutes of walk after every 30 minutes of sit is recommended. Avoid standing for too long as well. Maintain a balance, sit and stand. 5. Drink water regularly to stay hydrated. You need to be hydrated to be healthy. And finally, please listen to your body. Your heart whispers before it screams.